Okay na, magkakakilala na ha.
Ha?
Game G yan. Okay, no good. Seal dyan. Okay, 2 points, Sardinia. 0-2. Okay, 2-0. Ay, all pala. Sardinia to Reyes. Reyes. Yun lang, di makayuko. Ten to shoot. Gosela. Nice pass. 2 points. Score 4-2. All four, 2 points, Sardinia. Gosela. 14 to shoot, extra pass. No good. Gosela. Wala pa rin. Sayang. Mukhang naninibago. Seal dyan, no good. Nice pass. Rebound by number 7. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Okay, good ha? Kala ko makakapiso na naman. Nice. No good by Reyes. Maalat ang bogey. All 4 pa lang. Inigo. Gakutan. No good. Okay, same ball. Wow, 2 points. Ingo. 6-4. Gosela, pinipilit, pinasa. No good. Time remaining, 3 minutes, 40 seconds. Reyes, wala. Nice pass. 2 points, Gosela. Score 1-4. Nice drop. 8-6. Time remaining 3 minutes 15 seconds. Bad pass. Two minutes 55 seconds. 2 points, Inco. 10-6. Marabe. Sardinia. Wala. Follow up. No good. Maalat si Reyes. Nice! Ang ganda. Yun lang. Ayaw nang malapit. Sardinia. Steal by Inigo. Inigo. Nice pass. Binalik. 16 seconds to shoot. 2 points for Sela. 2 minutes, 5 seconds. No good by Mark. Wala pa rin. Siljan. 2 points, Siljan. 12-8. Gosela setting the play. 1 minute 30 seconds, 12 to shoot. No good by Inigo. Sardinia. Ide-derecho, ipapasa. Dinerecho, wala. Rebound by Reyes. Yun, bumalik pa rin sa kanya. 12-10. 1 minute 8 seconds. Blanca ng ring. Two points. 14-10, last 50 seconds. 45 seconds. No good. 2 points, Sardinia. 14-12, last 35 seconds. No good by Andy, rebound by Siljan, nagmamadali. 2 points, all 14, last 20 seconds. Hindi ko nakita. Last 10 seconds. Nice, sayang. 4 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay, change court. Dito bola. Bola nila Hardy. Inom na yun yung inom. Ay, set. Pag nag-9 tayo, hindi ka. Ating bola na.
Oo. Hindi pa sure eh.
Okay. Okay, back to the ball game. Dito bola. Nasa na kaya yung iba? Paalala ko, both teams may dalawang timeout ha. Two points, Siljan. 14-16. Two points, also lead. To shoot. No good by Reyes. Siljan. Nice. Oh, 2 points. Reyes. 18-16. Inco. 3 points. 18-19 ha. Okay, 2 points. 20-19. Bad pass. Isa lang ang lamang ha, ng Team Sardinia. Reyes. Pilasa. Pumulap. Wala. Rebound by Gosela. Gosela. Okay, foul. Tumawag po kayo kung bawal ang pakiramdaman. Wala tayong first ball ha. Inigo. 2 points kay Inigo. 20-21. Nice. Tapos. Mukhang pagod si Reyes. 2 points. 20-23. Silja. 2 points. 22-23. Gosela, 10 seconds. No good. Siljan. Yun lang, akala kakampi. Gosela, libre. Lapit din ang bola. Si Ingo. Reyes. 3 points. 25-23. Hindi nyo pwedeng iwan talaga. Lamang ang dalawa. Gakutan. Gosela. Gosela, 2 points, all 25. Still. Same bola. 3 minutes, 36 seconds. 18 to shoot. Two points, Gosela, 25-27. Three points, Reyes, 28-27. Inigo, pinasa kay Gosela. Ingo, no good. Two points, number 7. 29-30-27. Two points. Parang nasa ano lang yun ha. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Reyes, 16 to shoot. 10 to shoot. No good. Rebound by Sardinia. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Wala. Sayang. 2 minutes, 5 seconds. One minute, 50 seconds. 12 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Still. No good. 1 minute, 35 seconds. 12 to shoot. Marabe. Oy, grabe yung pasa mo. 2 points. Still 32-19. Gosela, 3 points, all 32. Thirty-five, 32. Inigo, pinasa. Info. Grabe yun. Parang nasa high zone lang. 52 seconds. Grabe. 50 seconds. 35, 34. 16 to shoot. Rebound by Inko. Lalamang na ba sila? Inko. Langat. Nakakuha ni Inigo. Last 28 seconds. Serdenya. Wala. Rebound by Kusela. Last 20 seconds. Lalamang na ba sila? Okay, lamang na sila. 17.3 seconds. Time out. Okay, advance sila ha. 17.3 seconds. 14 to shoot. No need to foul ha. Ang team Gakutan. Paalala ko, hindi ako natanggap ng intentional na pasabit ha. At yung landing spot, iwasan nyo. Baka tawagan kayo ng foul. Okay na ba? Okay, game ha? 15 seconds. 10 to shoot. Serdenya. Five seconds. Okay. Wala nang oras. Nakadalawang attempt na kayo sa 10 seconds. Ha? Hindi pa yun. Yung 5 seconds, yung unang tira doon. Nagkarambulan pa. Okay, game.